GST Composition Scheme Problem Solution. Hiralal, the question is like that. Hiralal and Sons, registered person in Karnataka, wants to adopt for composition scheme. So registered person is only eligible to adopt composition scheme. The supply details are given below. Interstate taxable supply 75 lakh, exempted supply 17 lakh. The first question, can Hiralal and company adopt for composition scheme for the financial year 2022-23? The second question, during 2022-23, if the turnover is rupees 75 lakh, what is the amount GST payable? So composition scheme adopt ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಬೇಕು ಅಂದರೆ his annual turnover must be less than 1.5 crores. So we have to calculate aggregate turnover. On the basis of that, we can compare with the limit, no? So calculation of aggregate turnover. So here the supply details too are given. Interstate taxable supply, exempted supply. We know that aggregate turnover na find out ಮಾಡಬೇಕಿದ್ರೆ ಇನ್ವರ್ಟ್ ಸಪ್ಲೈ ಅಥವಾ ರಿವರ್ಸ್ ಚಾರ್ಜ್ ಮೆಕಾನಿಸಮ್ಸ್ ಬಿಟ್ಟು ಎಲ್ಲದನ್ನು ತೊಗೊಳ್ತೀವಿ. ಸೊ 75 ಲ್ಯಾಕ್ ಪ್ಲಸ್ 17 ಲ್ಯಾಕ್ ಟೋಟಲ್ ಅಗ್ರಿಗೇಟ್ ಟರ್ನೋವರ್ ಈಸ್ 92 ಲ್ಯಾಕ್. ಸೊ comment, aggregate turnover is less than the limit of rupee 1.5 crore. Hence, the dealer is eligible for composition scheme or adopt for composition scheme for the financial year 2022-23. However, he is not eligible for interstate taxable supply if he adopt for composition scheme. Composition scheme ಅನ್ನು ಒಂದ್ಸಲ ಅಡಾಪ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡಾದ್ಮೇಲೆ he is only eligible for intrastate. ಸ್ಟೇಟ್ ಬಿಟ್ಟು ಬೇರೆ ಸ್ಟೇಟಿಗೆ ಗೂಡ್ಸನ್ನು ಸಪ್ಲೈ ಮಾಡೋಕ್ಕಾಗಲ್ಲ. ಸೊ ಇಂಟರ್ಸ್ಟೇಟ್ ಸಪ್ಲೈ ಏನಿದೆಯಲ್ಲ ಅದನ್ನು ನಿಲ್ಲಿಸಬೇಕಾಗುತ್ತೆ. got it? The second question, during 2022-23, if the turnover is rupees 75 lakh, what is the amount GST payable? Suppose whether it is interstate or intrastate transaction ಅಂತಕ್ಕಂಡು ಸ್ಪೆಸಿಫಿಕ್ ಮೆನ್ಷನ್ ಇಲ್ಲ ಅಂದರೆ we must be assume that turnover should be intrastate only. So whatever this 75 lakh is given, it is an intrastate supply. Calculation of GST payable if the turnover is rupees 75 lakh. So GST rate, we know that 1% for composition scheme. It is a fixed one, 1% for composition scheme. So 1% of rupees 75 lakh ಅಂದ್ರೆ 75,000. ಸೊ ಇಂಟ್ರಾಸ್ಟೇಟ್ ಆಗಿ ಸಪ್ಲೈ ಅಂತ ಅಸ್ಯೂಮ್ ಮಾಡಿರೋದ್ರಿಂದ 0.5% ಆರ್ 50% ಗೋಸ್ ಟು ದಿ CGS, ಅಂದರೆ 37,500 GST is go to the center and remaining 37,500 is goes to the state SGST. So this is for your composition scheme solution.